Well, I would say these are local Trinamool Congress workers from Bhubaneswar who have assembled here. They are also anticipating senior leaders to come from West Bengal because we are being told that a couple of leaders, including ministers from West Bengal, are expected here in some time because Trinamool Congress has planned a multi-fold attack on BJP and just not restricted from Bengal but from different other places. So today, even as we speak, similar protests are being planned here in Bhubaneswar, then in Delhi, also in Punjab and in other parts of Bihar, Manipur, Tripura, Assam. So yes, Trinamool workers have assembled here. Important thing to observe would be the kind of security arrangement which has been put in place. We just saw a couple of minutes back a CBI officer, a senior CBI officer had come down, tried speaking to these protesters and requested them to go aside because this is the main entry gate of the CBI Bhubaneswar office, and all the lawyers who are coming in, the CBI officers who are coming in, they are finding it difficult to find their way inside, and it doesn't really look nice when somebody is protesting at the entry point. So CBI officer came and requested them to go aside and make their protest, but these Trinamool Congress workers are saying they won't be leaving this site at any cost. They would be here and they would continue with the protest as long as it's required. They're saying it's BJP, they're accusing BJP of playing vindictive politics, and that's the reason they're saying they would be continuing their fight. They were raising slogans in favor of Mamata Banerjee. At the same time, they were raising slogans not in favor of BJP. I would quickly speak to one of the protesters here. Sir, आप अपना नाम बताइए और आप तृणमूल कांग्रेस करते हैं सर?
मैं एमएलए हूँ पश्चिम बंगाल का, तृणमूल कांग्रेस के टीएमसी का। हम यहाँ है, हमारा पार्टी को लीडर तृणमूल कांग्रेस का सुदीप बनर्जी को गिरफ्तार किया है। हम ये मालूम कि सीबीआई भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जो बोलेगा वही काम करेगा।
सर और कौन कौन आ रहे हैं सर?
और हमारा साथ उड़ीसा का हमारा टीएमसी का कन्वेनर साथ में था, हमारा कोलकाता में पार्टी में कोई लीडर में था, और इसलिए मैं एमएलए हमें
प्रोटेस्ट जारी रहेगा सर?
नहीं, प्रोटेस्ट आज काम हम बात करने चाहते हैं, सुदीप बनर्जी के साथ मुलाकात करने चाहते हैं। प्रोटेस्ट 10 जनवरी होगा भुवनेश्वर में।
Thank you so much for speaking with us. Quickly, I would like to show you the scene outside the CBI office. The lawyers of Shruti Bandyopadhyay have just come out, and that's why the entire chaos, the ruckus which has suddenly broken out, all are trying to get a word from the lawyers to understand how is Shruti Bandyopadhyay doing. Is there any development? What time will he be produced in court? Even